Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how you can change the name of your smart TV. So let's start the video. All you need to do is to go to the settings. After settings you need to go to system and then you need to go to about, and here you will find device name. So you need to tap on that one. Here is, you need to tap on change or you don't want to change. Here is the name of this smart TV. So if you don't want to change it, but we want to change the name, here are some options that you can choose from. Dining room TV, family, kitchen, things like that. Or you can go down to enter custom name as well. You just tap on here and select the custom name from here. So I will just choose, you just type in, and once you're done you just tap on the arrow. So as you can see now the device name has been changed. So this is how you can change the name of your smart TV. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. We need your support to grow. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.